Hello everybody, my name is Emre and welcome to one new video. Today I wanna show you how you can make a Turkish sourdough bread, Trabzon ekmeği at home. First of all, I have here 750 gram of white flour. And then I am doing one swimming pool. After that add 490 ml of lukewarm water and then mix it gently from outside to inside. And then add the flour to your working place. Put the dough to your working area. So after, bring it together. I'm gonna make one more time pull. After that, add 250 gram of sourdough starter what I fed 8 hours ago. And if you wanna know how to make a sourdough starter, I will put the link up, you can check it there. And thank you very much for the ferry, for the nice information about the sourdough. Bring it nice together. If you need some extra flour, you can add some extra flour. So now, if the dough is nice and smooth, close it with some fresh foil and close it. Leave it now for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, how you see the dough is grow up a little bit. Now I open the middle again. After that, add 1 tablespoon of salt. And 20 ml of oil. Now leave it for 2 minutes and after we continue. And now I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next 8 minutes. Take a little bit oil to your hand. Pull the dough. Shut it and fold it together. It needs to look like this, nice, smooth and nice bubbling. After, remove it to one plastic container, close the top for 1 hour and then we're gonna continue. So after 1 hour I'm gonna start to folding it, taking a little bit oil to my hands. Leave it for 1 more hour. So now I am folding it second time. Take little oil to my hand. doing it last time now. I folded already from 4 sides and now I'm gonna roll it, make a shape and put inside to the towel. Now add the flour to the towel. I'm using here rice flour. You can use any gluten-free flour. If you're using a normal flour, maybe it's gonna stick to the towel. After 12 hours my dough is ready for baking. I have here one mixture from flour and water. I'm gonna brush it on the top. And now take your mostly sharp knife and make one line to the middle. Now it's ready to bake. I heat my oven for 250 degrees up and down. So guys, this was my Trabzon ekmeği recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, follow me on Instagram, subscribe my channel, and see you in next video. Goodbye.